Welcome to iDoWeddingPrint.com, and congratulations on your upcoming event, whether it be a destination wedding, a domestic wedding, a honeymoon, vow renewals, Jack and Jill's, anniversaries. We are here to help you. Because you get to design your own, you can create anything you want. Beautiful keepsakes, create beautiful memories, and you can put it all on the store. So this tutorial is on how to design. So I'm going to try to show you all the different design tools. So we're going to design an invitation right now. And we're going to pick a standard fold-over invitation. Again, we have some new and exciting ones coming very soon. So I'm going to click on the fold-over card. And it does take a couple seconds to load. Different areas depending on the internet speed. Some might take longer, some might be shorter. So once it loads, you'll notice you have two sides, page 1 and page 2. So for all the different products, you can always tell if it's one or two-sided. This is where you can create your own QR code. It's free on our store. In this particular product, if you want a certain background color, you can click it here, or you can create your own through pictures. So as a fold-over card, you know this will be the back, this will be the front, and then when you go to the inside, this will be the bottom where you can read the information, and that'll be sort of on the top. So we design the front first. We can do a couple things. So first off, when you go to our image library, you'll see product designs. These are designs that we have created for every product. Every product, you go to product designs, and all you have to do is click on it, and you'll see the design. When you click on the design, you'll notice whenever the black boxes appears, that means that is activated. So now you can do different things with it. Resize. Size scale down, scale up. So you just hit scale up, and you'll notice it scales right up on the line. However, I've gone too big. You'll see the hazard sign saying it's a little too big, so lower it, and there. Now you can blow it up with the slider. You can blow it up using the plus sign. And you'll notice over here, you click on that, and then you can go up and down. Now you'll notice I'm still a little too big, so I'm going to reduce it again a bit more until I see that that hazard goes away. Okay. Now you'll notice on an invitation, you look at your score line, and you can see what you've done. Now you can simply go to text tools. This is where you add new text. Text box again appears black. You click on it, you can move it anywhere. I like to make the text box roughly the size I'm going to be typing, so it makes it a little easier to try to control it. Instead of just having a huge text box, I say, okay, I want to put my words here, and then when I type, I try to type, I click inside the box, and then I can go to my fonts, and I usually start off with a small size, and then I'm going to type what I want to type. So I'm going to hear Scott, I'm going to hit a space and space Lori. So now I've typed it. Now I can go bigger in the font. I can center it in the box. Now I can still move the box around. Maybe I want it down here. Then you can pick a font. We have lots of different fonts. If you don't see a font you like, let us know and we can help you find a new one. But there's all different fonts, from script to funky to the standards, calligraphy, Old English. So you click the font you want, and there you go. Now you may not want black. So this is the cool part that I like, is you can pick any color you want and it'll appear. Or if you see the little pencil, if I move the pencil over to my picture, I can take a color I like on my picture and highlight that. So it'll pick any color that you put on it. So that's important for when you upload your own pictures. So there's an idea of what you can do. And then on the inside, again, you can do a text box. You can pick a complete background color, say, oh, I just like a nice color. Then you can put your text on there. Please join us for our wedding down on the beach. So you add your text box, and this is where you can add to call your travel agent, call your wedding planner. Make sure you have their information on it. And again, you type, and then you change it. Once you type, it's just like Word. Go to your font size, go to your fonts, center, justify left, justify right, or center. you can create all different fonts. You can create like the names in italics and the regular words in a different type. So it's just like Word. You can create many different boxes. You can add another text box. You can add another text box. It doesn't matter how many boxes you add. You can change type in different colors, fonts, and do anything you want. Don't forget, down here, Save Template. Always save your template. Every time you design, you save your template. Every time you start to design, you save your template. That way everything's saved. You want to delete, you just hit the delete, and everything will delete. So that's one way, is by picking our designs. So let's try another way. So let's click on the design and let's delete that. So what else can you do? Well, you can pick, if you don't want to pick one of our designs under product design, you can go to any of our different locations. We have pictures for everywhere: Australia, Africa, Alaska. So you can sort of pick where you're going, whether it's Cuba, Hawaii, and you can click on images and you can put a beautiful beach image on the front, because that's what you're doing, a destination wedding. And you can blow up your beach. So again, you go to Tools, and as long as the black box is around it, you can blow it up. And because these pictures are so big, you can take little parts of the picture, or you can take the whole picture. You might say, I just like part of a picture. So what you do is you hit crop, and you can crop the picture to any portion of the picture you like. You know, maybe you want some blue water and some blue sky, but you don't want, you can just take little pieces of the picture. And then you make sure the crop is off, click on it, and now you can blow it up and just use that portion of the picture. You can move the picture over. Again, use the tools up here so you can see what you're doing. Okay, so now you can do it on the top, bottom. It's you create it, you decide what you want, but you'll notice your names are gone now. That's part of your elements. So your elements are your layers. So now I can find my name and bring it up, and you see they pop back up. So again, I just want to show you the tool. So the elements are your layers. So again, that's another idea of what you can do. Now another thing you can do is you can upload your own. Click on Upload, hit Continue, and you can upload your own. Find it on your computer. Now you'll notice on the upload it shows you everything you can upload, what formats, what works. Just make sure they're quality pictures, and you can upload your own picture. And that's what I like to see done on these. That's what I think people want, or to be able to put their own picture on. So you can put your own picture of you and your future spouse, and you can blow it up, and it makes it more personable, more of a keepsake. Watch your lines, watch your product. Again, we lost the names. We just bring the names up. Now, you might not see that there, so what you might want to do is now knock it out and do it in a white. So there's lots you can do, lots you can create, and it's all in what you want to represent. We have a whole bunch of things in our library, from shapes and sizes. If you wanted to add a heart or a box, put your type in a box, go like that, and then you can go to Tools, and just, again, Elements, put your name on top of it. There's anything you want to do, you can do, and we're here to help you. Now let's try to design a travel document holder.